Hi everyone! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa Liluna Tarot. Again, this is your reader Maria. Okay, and this is our collective reading. Okay, so ngayon gagawa tayo ng collective reading which is kung ano yung lumabas na energy na mababasa natin, whether this is about love, about career, about family, and so on. So, kaunting paalala lang, take what's resonate and leave the rest. So kapag hindi magre-resonate sa inyo, ayos lang. Huwag ipilit kung hindi magre-resonate, okay? So, long time no see sa inyo. And pasensya na kayo kung ngayon lang ako ulit nakapag-upload. Kasi sobrang dami ko lang inasikaso, sobrang daming ganap sa everyday life, kaya hindi na ako nakakapag-upload. So, gagawin natin ulit. Pipilitin natin na mag-upload ulit palagi ng reading para sa inyo. Okay? I hope yung mga subscribers ko is nandiyan pa rin and still nakasupport pa rin sa channel natin. Buhayin natin ulit yung channel natin, okay? And marami pa kayong aasahan na pick a card reading. This is not, this is not drawing. Totoo na to. Palagi tayo mag-pick a card reading and collective reading, okay? So, let's see kung anong energy yung mababasa natin. So, let's start with this card. Okay, so this is oracle card. So, most of cards here is about love. Pero hindi naman totally. Okay, so titingnan natin. So, energy check-up muna tayo. Para sa akin mga collective, ano ba yung meron ngayon sa inyo? Collective. Kamusta na ba ang aking mga collective? Ano ba ang meron ngayon sa life, love life, career? Okay. Collective. Para sa mga bago pa lang sa channel natin, welcome sa inyo. Pwede nyo i-visit yung mga past upload natin kasi most of them is timeless naman. Okay. Collective. Kamusta na ba ang aking mga collective? Oops. First card. Wow. Spiritual awakening, realization, but in reverse siya. Actually, most ng reading ko is hindi ako nagbabasa ng naka-reverse. Pero, this time, okay, let's see kung bakit tumalsik siya ng naka-reverse. So, realization, spiritual awakening in reverse. Yung iba sa inyo, clueless pa rin. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, meron ako nakukuhang energy na parang still confused kung ano ba yung purpose nyo, ano ba yung pathway ba dapat na nilalakaran nyo. Okay? Iba sa inyo na on the process pa siguro ng spiritual awakening. Cheating, broken trust. Let's see. Honesty, wow. Storm, turmoil coming ahead. Last card. Enemy, watch your back. For some of you, bottom of the deck, divine timing, believe in right timing. For some of you, uh, most of you, my collective, is old soul. Okay? So, meron ako ditong nakikita na ikaw yung tipo ng tao na you're always searching, you are always looking for the truth. Ikaw yung klase ng tao na pag sinabi nating malawak or malalim na kind of a person, ikaw yung klase ng tao na sobrang deep ng personality mo na you are searching for um, ano ba yung totoo, ano ba yung purpose, parang ganon. I hope nakakasunod kayo ah. And maybe because that part of you is na awakened kasi um, dahil sa cheating issue or sa, alam mo yon, merong nangyari sa'yo na nakapag-awaken nun sa sarili mo. Kaya, nung na-awaken yun, dahil dun sa nangyari, is mas lumalim yung knowledge mo, mas lumawak yung yung kaalaman mo sa mga bagay-bagay. And meron ako nakikita dito na most of you is a spiritual person, okay? You can be, kahit na wala dito yung hierophant, meron ako nakikita dito na you are a hierophant, a high priestess na very spiritual. Yes, you're a very spiritual person and siguro dahil na sira yung trust mo before is parang hirap ka nang magtiwala ngayon. Okay. You're always watching your back. Okay. And maybe ngayon hindi mo pa nare-realize na itong meron akong scenario na nakikita na this person um merong nudge sa'yo na this person is cheating, na there is something wrong. Okay, dito sa person na to, maybe karelasyon mo to before, and there is a nudge sa'yo, merong sensation sa'yo na this person is cheating. Okay? And siguro soon malalaman mo, hindi ko alam kung nalaman mo na to or ma-unveil siya sa'yo. Okay, ma-unveil sa'yo yung totoo, which is there is a storm coming, okay? And po pwedeng hindi ito about relationship, it can be a friend, okay? No, which is this friend is actually an enemy. Okay, I hope nakakasunod kayo ha. And dito sa divine timing, believe in right timing, um, i- i- i-unveil sa'yo, ipapakita sa'yo. Okay? Yung totoo, unti-unti. I hope nakakasunod kayo. Uulitin ko guys ha. You are a very intuitive person and you know if may mali. And siguro, kung pwedeng gusto mo na yung person na to yung magsabi sa'yo or alam mo yon yung time will tell, parang ganon. Can be this person broke your trust, okay? Or, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin, guys. Kasi for some, this is a friend. for my collective. Wedding rings, union and marriage, soul connection, everlasting love, devotion. For some of you, meron ako nakuha na po pwedeng this is a fiancé of yours, a long time partner, na actually na you have a parang ano eh, download na parang there is something wrong. Let's see ha. Kasi this is about a connection also for some of you with the wedding rings here. So, tingnan natin. Ano pa to? Oops. The dragonfly. Light-hearted and adapt. Finding out. Oh my gosh. Finding out and change. Things coming to light and heal. Okay. Wow. Thank you, Lord. Okay, so for some of you, there is a situation, there is a storm, okay, coming ahead, coming ahead. There is a situation na ma-unveil or ma-reveal sa'yo soon. Ngayon, hindi ka pa awakened. Hindi ka pa totally awake or hindi ka pa totally gising. Okay? But there is a part of you na may nagsasabi na there is something wrong. And soon, you will find out na a person you trust, your partner, your longtime partner, your fiance, is actually doing shady behind your back. Okay? It can be, for some of you, hindi lahat in relationship. For some of you, is about a friend. Okay? And most of you is in sa relationship to. Okay? And maybe, that situation na ma-reveal sa'yo is yun yung magiging dahilan para ma-awaken ka. Okay? Para magising ka sa totoo, sa truth. Okay? Um, doon sa sitwasyon na which is soon will going to light. Okay? For some of you, you are very, you are warm. Okay? Warm kind of a person. You have a good heart. Yes. Tingnan natin. Wow. Heartbroken. I told you. Deep hurt and sad, feeling lost, grieving and despair break up. I told you, um, if this situation will reveal sa'yo soon, masasaktan ka dito. It will break your heart. You maybe sobrang masasaktan and malulungkot, but yung process na yon is yun yung magiging dahilan for yours awakening. Okay. Doon sa sinabi ko sa inyo una pa lang na for some of you are feeling lost, okay? Diba sabi ko nga, hindi mo maintindihan kung ano yung nangyayari. Maybe, yung iba sa inyo is iisipin na parang ano ba yung purpose, bakit nangyayari sa akin to? O mabait naman ako or parang hindi naman ako masamang tao, parang ganon. Soon you will find out na this process actually is kasama talaga para ma-awaken ka doon sa potential mo na po pwedeng hierophant or high priestess, okay? Kasi you're a very intuitive person. Let's see. Mhm. The golden mirror. Narcissist, love bombing, self-absorbed, one-sided. I told you. For some of you, kung sa relationship to, na you will find out that your partner or the one you have a union, okay, you have a connection, is actually cheating on you or doing something shady behind your back. It can be this person is a narcissist, okay, or it can be this person is love bombing you, Okay? And ito pwedeng itong love na to is one-sided kind of love. Talking. Interested, awaiting messages, text, calls, email, talking more. Wow. Guys, trigger warning. Phoenix, I told you. Bottom of the deck is Phoenix. New pace and rekindle, renew and grow, change mind. Guys, change mind, rise from ashes. Okay. Ano yung um, gusto kong sabihin sa inyo? Itong mangyayari na to, na awakening sa'yo, para dun sa iba na hindi pa na-awaken and hindi pa na-find out o hindi pa nare-reveal sa inyo. Actually, for some of you, yung iba na parang hindi pa gising, you are still waiting for this person to message you, okay? Meron din ako nakita ditong push and pull cord, which is push and pull dynamic, runner and chaser, okay? Kasi someone is narcissist, okay? Maybe this person is nilalabam ka today and then biglang i-ghost ka kinabukasan or ilang araw kang hindi may message and then para i-pull yung string ng heart mo, para ma-miss mo siya, para hanap-hanapin mo siya, and then bigla-biglang susulpot ulit, okay? And you will find out why this person is ganun yung ginagawa niya sa'yo. Kasi actually, this person is maybe cheating on you, okay? And maybe this person is not truthful. O pwedeng this person is playing at your feelings, okay? Yes. And maybe this person is actually cannot be trusted. So, yun yung mako-find out mo, okay, in the future if hindi pa nare-reveal sa'yo. Okay? Guys, hindi ko sinasabi na maging maano kayo ha, yung parang mag-overthink kayo ha. Pero ito kasi yung nakikita ko dito sa cards, okay? Sa energy check-up natin dito sa collective reading, okay? So malinaw naman yung pinapakita ng card na soon you will find out that this person is actually cheating or playing with your feelings, or o pwedeng this person is narcissist. Kasi 'di ba pag narcissist, 'di ba alam naman natin, always parang ipinapakita niya sa'yo na he or she is the perfect partner, parang ganon. Papakita niya lahat ng mga magagandang bagay sa'yo. Alam mo yung meron kasi silang tinatawag na ano eh, yung ipapakita sa'yo yung parang impossible na, uy, siya talaga yung ano, parang siya yung parang ideal wife, ideal husband, ganun. Para hindi maalis yun. And then, biglang hindi mo alam na parang ano, hindi naman pala talaga yun yung personality niya. There is a hidden, okay, hidden agenda doon sa sa ginagawa niya, sa action niya, or doon sa mga sinasabi niya sa'yo. Kasi with the golden mirror here. Okay, so let's see. Let's see more. More. Medyo, medyo guys, medyo mabigat na energy to Itong nakukuha natin. Kasi, masakit to kapag nalaman mo. Kasi you are very devoted dito sa person to with the wedding rings. Kasi maybe, iniisip mo na if this is a person na long-term relationship mo na siya, iniisip mo kasi na ikakasal kayo. Okay, na kayo na talaga for some of you. Kasi yun yung sinasabi niya sa'yo. Let's see. What else? What else? So, let's see sa ating tarot card. Oops. Thank you. Wow. Eight of Swords in reverse. Meron ako nakikita ditong breakup. Okay. Or for some of you, nalaman mo na ito yung ginagawa nito. Um, you have a clue na this person is actually narcissist, cheating on you or cheating behind your back. This person is not truthful. This person is one-sided. Um, one-sided love yung binibigay sa'yo. Okay. Hindi sinusukli ako na yung binibigay mo. You will free yourself here dito. And for some of you, para dun sa iba, is you need to face your fears. Okay. Once na halimbawang lumabas na yung katotohanan. Kasi yung iba sa inyo po pwedeng matatakot ka na i-confront itong person na to. Kasi meron ako nakukuha na you want na this person is yung magtapat sa'yo. Pero hindi malabang mangyari yon kasi wala namang person na hindi maganda yung intention sa'yo na sasabihin niya na hindi maganda yung intention niya sa'yo. Most of the time, um, most of the time, hindi ko nilalahat they're not telling the truth. Kasi pwedeng hindi na nila makuha kung ano yung um, energy na ibinibigay mo. Alam mo yon saan nakukuha nyo guys? Once you free this person, once you find out kung ano yung totoong nangyayari, um, pero ako sa nakikita kasi guys na for some of you, this is a narcissist dynamic. So, po pwedeng, alam mo yung narcissist na dynamic, di ba? Um, napapababa nito yung self-esteem mo, okay? Nililimitahan ka nito sa mga taong dapat nakasama sa potential mo kasi ganun yun. Okay? So, meron ako nakikita na once na sinurrender mo to, you free yourself here, may mararamdaman kang freedom. For some of you, nangyari na to and then you are in the process of healing. Okay? Oops. Four of Cups. Wow. You're sad. Some of you, you're melancholy or sad about still, okay, about dito sa situation na nangyayari. Okay. Kasi it can be this is a long-term relationship. Let's see. The Moon. For some of you, you're still confused eh. Yung iba sa inyo magkakaiba kasi tayo ng pace, okay? So, for some of you, you are takot ka sa unknown, okay? Confused. Confused ka pa rin. Parang hindi ka pa rin makapaniwala na this person actually is cheating on you or doing something behind your back. Pero the moon kasi is hidden. This is a secret, okay? And for some of you, this is nag-resonate doon sa may unang sinabi ko na fear of the unknown. Still clueless. Okay. For some of you are not fulfilled. Parang there is something missing. Pero hindi ko naman sinasabi na dahil parang lonely ka or there is parang feeling mo there is something missing is bumalik ka dun sa person na yun na ganun yung pinapakita sa'yo or ginagawa sa'yo. Tingnan nyo, bottom of the deck is Three of Swords. Heartache. see. Last two cards for my collective. Five of Pentacles. For some of you, you feel left in the cold, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, takot maiwan. You have an abandonment issue. For some of you, kaya kahit alam mo na, parang in denial ka, kahit alam mo na kung ano yung totoo, still confused. Five of Swords is still worrying, meron ako nakita na ano eh, na parang alam mo yon yung overthinking. For some of you ha, trigger warning. Actually, pinapakita na sa'yo kasi yung mga dapat mong makita. But still, parang ayaw mong tanggapin yung katotohanan. Na actually, this is it. This is the situation. This is the kind of person. Actually, this is the kind of person yung partner mo. Parang alam mo yun, naiintindihan mo ba? Actually, ito siya talaga. Hindi yung parang ipinapakita niya sa'yo na meron ako narinig na grandiose. Siguro grandiose narcissist. Meron kasi ganun eh. Uh, you feel left out in the cold. You feel lonely. You feel lonely. Um, kasi ano eh, this person shower you with attention, shower you with love. Kasi para yun yung maiwan sa'yo. Para if ever na ipinakita niya talaga yung totoong kulay niya sa'yo is hindi ka, parang hindi ka maniwala na ganun siya. Parang ganun. Last card. You are a spiritual person ha, pero hindi mo palang kasi tinatanggap. In denial ka pa. You feel na baka parang you feel na this person kapag naghiwalay kami to, miss opportunity tong person na to. Nangihinaya ka, mamaya baka siya na talaga si right one. Yun yung nakikita ko. Seven of Cups. Actually, you have a lot of options. You have a lot of choices. At hindi lang yun yung person na yun, okay? Kasi baka iba sa inyo nag-iisip na kaya ayaw yung see yung katotohanan o what kind of person he or she is kasi iniisip mo na mamaya baka miss opportunity. Vice versa, guys, ha? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, most of you are still searching for purpose in life. You're in the process of awakening. O pwedeng naghiwalay na kayo nito and na-find out mo na and you are on the process of awakening, healing, okay? You are taking your time. And for some of you, you are indecisive, okay? Whether totoo ba yung nararamdaman mo towards this person na niloloko ka behind your back or baka naman nagtatamang hinala ka lang. You are confused, guys. Pero ako nagsasabi sa inyo, time will tell. Okay? Wow. Wow, 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 wow. And bottom of the deck, guys, is Seven of Swords. Someone is deceptive. Someone is not truthful and actually getting away with something. Someone is dishonest, not truthful, hindi mapagkakatiwalaan, guys. Sneaky. Okay? I'm telling you, whoever this person is a narcissist. For some of you want to talk to this person still. Kasi gusto mo sa kanya marinig kung ano ba talaga yung ano eh, kung ano ba talaga yung totoo. Hmm. Okay. So let's see. Last pull of cards. Ano bang pwede nating i-pull dito na message? Mhm. Ito na lang. Si universe na lang. The universe answered them. So, let's pull three cards. Okay, so three cards yung aking narinig. So, let's see dito sa ating collective. Actually, ano ba yung sagot ni universe dito sa situation ng ating collective? Let's see. Oops. Three cards. Give me three cards. Nope. Three cards. Unknown. Sabi ko na, your fear of the unknown. Unknown. Yes. Confirming kung ano yung tinatanong mo. Okay. So, if this is true, if you are asking yourself kung ito ba ay totoo, na talagang this person is deceptive or anything, and the answer is yes. Oh, stop. It can be with a stop here. You need to stop talking to this person. And bottom of the deck is possibly. Believe it. Okay, so answer of the universe is unknown. Yes, and then stop. Okay, so take what's resonate guys and leave the rest. Kung hindi mag-resonate sa inyo is ayos lang guys, okay? So actually this is a collective reading. So kung pwedeng mag-resonate sa inyo ito eh, kung pwedeng hindi. So take what's resonate na lang. Again, maraming maraming salamat sa panonood ng ating video ngayon. And then marami pa kayong aabangan. Um, Magpipick a card tayo. Okay. And then, um, marami pa akong i-upload na videos na po pwede ninyong mapanood. Okay. So, wala pa muna tayong pa-members sa ngayon kasi kaka-upload pa lang natin ulit. Okay, so maraming maraming salamat guys. Abangan nyo yung next upload natin. Again, this is your reader Maria and this is La Luna Tarot. Bye!